Hi, my friend. It's Rhonda Kay, and I trust that you're having an excellent day. I have been talking to you since the latter part of 2023 about you working full time, working temp, or being unemployed, and how you can make extra money online. And I'm really excited about this, just a little bit of a tweak of change on where we're going here in for this year. And it's still centered around you making extra money, and your primary focus is for you to make extra money. So we're going to talk about that a little bit today. So the main reason or the main focus for people who want to make extra money is you want to boost your income. You want to center that around skills that you already have or interest and your schedule. That's very important. Working full time, working temp, and even unemployed because you're looking for work, it's very important that it's something that can be done within your schedule. So you don't want to be overly ambitious about it. You want something that you'll be able to sustain. So oftentimes too, when your main focus is to make extra money, you're looking for freelance work, part-time, starting a side business, making money from assets that you already have. So if you have a couple of properties, you can rent them out. The main goal is for you to find practical and reliable ways to earn money to meet your financial needs, to ease financial pressure. So we're at the right place at the right time. So we're going to talk about some short-term to mid-term to long-term type of things that you can do, okay? So the first one is short-term. And it's where you learn and earn. And you may have heard that before. Do you recall, have you ever heard of an apprenticeship? Sometimes apprenticeships, you can work with like an electrician or a plumber, and sometimes it's free. You don't get paid, but you get the experience. I'm talking about the ones where you get paid, or there's an internship that you get. You're getting paid to learn how to work that particular profession, and you're gaining skills to do that. That's what a learn and earn model is. It's where you are learning something, you're applying it, and you're getting paid. So the short-term one, because you're interested in making money as fast as possible, it's centered around a digital marketing and social media marketing course, where you purchase it, you begin to learn from it. The very first module that they have, it says, do you want to make money now? And if you say yes, you just go through that module and you set up your e-commerce store. So as you are learning from that course, the things that you post and the things that the course teaches you to do, you begin to attract other people who need to make extra money. They will purchase that course, and that's how you'll make money instantly. Now, also with this course, if you desire, if you already have a product or service and you want to use what you're learning on that product and service, you can do that as well, okay? But to hit the ground running, you can resell this course as you're learning and then be able to make instant commissions, and this is close to $400 per person, okay? And the reason why that's really important is because people who work, like you and I, we don't want to just get paid $10 a day or $10 or $25 here or there. We want it to be worth our while. Okay, so this course is good for beginners, and it's good for people, maybe you've been doing digital, trying to learn digital marketing on your own, and you're stuck, so you're not where you want to be in your business. This is a good course for you to have as well. And so this is under the guidelines of starting a side business or making that extra money, and it's online. So that's the short term. You can make money right now. The midterm to long term is you're still learning and earning. But this is an online interactive business builder where you get the website, you get the blog, you get the training on ads, traffics, and it's not training as far as you sitting in front of a video, watching it and pausing it and going and doing it, like this first course, okay? The first course, it will show you how to do certain things, but you'll have to go and do them. This online interactive business builder, you're doing it as you go. So and the reason why it's a midterm to long term is when you create your account, they're not talking about let's make money right away, because generally when you are building a business that you want to be sustainable, you want it to be here today, here tomorrow, here down the road, you don't even entertain conversations about, I need to make money right now. There is a wonderful business organization here where they take new entrepreneurs through a 12-week course. So it's a cohort of them, and they go through this 12-week course. And so no one goes into that cohort talking about, I need to make money today, right? But that's why we have the first thing, the short term, where you can make money right as soon as someone purchases that course from you, you can make money instantly. This mid to long term, it's going to be centered around your passions, centered around your skills, and helping you pick those things. They're going to show you which one of the things that you're passionate about, if it's even a profitable niche. This is huge, and I've never introduced this site and this platform to anyone as long as I've been online, off and on, off and on. Okay, so this is turning your passion and your skills into a profitable business, and it's an online interactive builder. So they're going to take you through, really get to know you, and it's all built into the system, but it's going to get to know you, what you like, what would you do if money wasn't a thing for you, and that way you can build an online business. Now, the key thing about this one is this is centered around your passion. It's centered around your skill set. So that's something that is going to cause you to stay plugged in. You're already sold out to it because you're already doing it, or it's something that you have maybe put off, but you desire to do it. So it's going to be built around what you love, what you like, what matters to you. And it's something that you can build right now. It's something that you can work up to retirement, and it's something that you can work through retirement. So I'll talk more about that on another video, but that one is really exciting. So we got the make money right now, and then we got the make money over after we go through some intense trainings. All right. Okay. Now, so this is a win-win. You work full time, you're working temp, you're unemployed. This is a win-win solution for you because you're making money now, and then you're also building a business where you make sustainable income online. Okay. This is something that I've not done. I started online back in December, I believe it was 2007, because I was getting divorced, and my checking account was like a negative $2,500. So I was like, I'm in survival mode. I need to make money. And so I came into this industry learning and earning, a learn and earn model. I started selling digital ebooks. Okay, I'm an avid reader. So it was easy for me to enter the industry that way, but I came in with the mindset of I want to make extra money. So whenever certain programs or platforms would fizzle out, then I would just regroup and find out what was selling next and just sell. That's why I've had the opportunity, one, to sell a lot of different things, but I've also had the opportunity to be able to come to you now and tell you that those of us who work full-time, we are looking for sustainable income. We don't really want to jump around. It's okay in your 20s, 30s, 40s, but when you hit 50 and you hit 60 and you hit 70, you're not trying to jump around all these other places. So you're wanting to really build something around the skill set and the interest that you've been building while you've been working. Right? Right. So it's very, very exciting that we are grounding ourselves and answering the right now. I need to make money right now. What can I do? We've answered that. And I also want to have a long-term online business. We've answered that here as well. So really excited about that. So Not that you need any type of support, but I want to let you know that there are people out there like yourself and like me. 45% of Americans have reported that they have a side hustle, and their main focus is to supplement their income, to cover expenses, save money, and to pay off debt. So you're at the right place at the right time. Okay. So next, what you want to do is you want to get more information. I've left some information in the video description or somewhere around this so that you can head right over and you can review the course and you can review the online business builder. Okay, and that's what I'm calling the system, but you can go and review those, and you have options. We all have options. We all have choices. I'm just providing a solution that you can partake. You can make money right now with a digital marketing course, and you can build an online business. You could do one or the other or both. It's totally up to you because you have choice. You're the captain of your own life. All right, so I have enjoyed my time with you. I will be back soon, and I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited about hearing your testimony. Many blessings.